Hello my friends and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Today's remedies for your feet. As you may or may not know, feet are the most important part of our body. People always watch your feet when they first look at you, but today with our busy lifestyles, everyone takes care of the face mostly. Nobody even wants to wash their feet, and because of not taking proper care, our feet become dark, rough, and ugly. Especially working class people and housewives, mothers, our sisters, they work so much, they do not pay attention to their feet. So after using the remedy I'm gonna give you today, even if you use it just once, your feet will be properly taken care of and they will look like bright, shining, and beautiful. So my friends, let's start today's remedy without wasting any more time. But before this, please subscribe to our channel, My Simple Remedies, and like this video, if you would like me to create more interesting content for you all. Ready? Let's go ahead. As you can see, my friend's feet are very dark, rough, with spots due to lack of proper foot care. So today we're showing the results of our remedy by applying it to my friend's feet. First of all, you will have to fill your tub with hot water. Now for the next step, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of sea salt in this hot water. My friends, baking soda is very helpful in removing the dirt from our feet, removing dead skin, and I will also tell you about the sea salt. Sea salt has lots of skin lightening properties in it, which is very useful for your skin. After mixing the water well, dip your feet in for about 20 minutes. That's right. For 20 minutes, my friend will dip your feet in this hot water mix. Half-boiled water can also remove your dead skin. Half-boiled water also contains properties which are very useful to remove your dead skin quickly. During these 20 minutes, we prepare our second step. The second step is an amazing homemade feet mask, which I will explain in a moment. How do we make feet masks now? First of all, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now, we will mix it well and make a paste. See this, what a nice paste we made. The mask is ready. While the feet are still in the water, you prepare this mask. Now we will apply the mask thoroughly on the feet of our friend with the help of a brush. I have to apply the masks to the dark spots of my friend's feet with a brush, especially on the dark spots. After applying it, leave the feet mask on for approximately 15 minutes. Make sure to keep this rule. I'm gonna say it again, my friends. You have to leave your feet as they are for up to 15 minutes after applying the mask. After 15 minutes, you will clean your feet well. Use a foot stone. You can purchase it from any nearest grocery store. It's cheap and easy to find. This is called feet pumice stone. If it's not available, you can easily clean them with any brush. After cleansing, you see, I'm giving a thorough massage to the feet of my friend. With the help of my fingers and fingertips, I massage the feet for 1 to 2 minutes thoroughly. Do not rub the same part again and again, otherwise you might create or inflammate existing rashes. You have to give 10 to 20 seconds to each part of the foot. Where there are dark spots, damaged skin, you have to focus your attention there. I repeat, you do not have to rub the same part again and again, otherwise rashes might come out. After giving a good massage, you will wash your feet with hot water. After washing the feet well, now the result is in front of you. My friends, you're watching that how quickly and all at once, just with a single application of this mask, your feet have become glowing, beautiful, and so soft. My friend is very happy with the results. So what do you think about this remedy? If you enjoyed the results, do share with your friends and treat yourself too. This remedy can be used regularly at home and you can use it once or twice a week, depending on your needs. Thanks for watching and give us feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also share with your friends. So that's it for today. Thanks again and see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.